one or two case studies. So let us see about the case studies of embedded system design. Okay, so in this case we can have one more case study related to distributed embedded system. Okay, now we can have RFID tags. So to develop to automated the process of object identification, electronic tags are called as RFID tags, can be read from a small distance by an RFID reader. The RFID reader does not require a direct line of sight of RFID tag. The tag stores the unique electronic product code to attached object. RFID tag dimensions has to attach every object. The cost of tag is major issue. Then various shapes and sizes continue to decrease in size. Tags are implantable and implants have been approved in humans and animals. RFID reader can act as a gateway to internet and transmit the object identity together with read time and object location. Remote computer system that manage a large database. It is thus possible to track object in real time. Toll gates, then hospitals, large organizations, public transportation systems. We may have an example of our metro trains and all. So there are n number of now examples which are related to our these case studies. Let us see electronic product code has a length of 96 bits, header 8 bits, then EPC manager 28 bits, object class 24 bits, object identifier number 36 bits, and then EPC is the unique product identification but does not reveal anything about the properties of the product. Two things, they have the same properties but are designed by two different manufacturers, will have completely different EPCs, electronic product code. And passive RFID tags, no power supply. Okay, in this case 30 megawatt, the energy required to operate a passive tag is the latest generation below 30 megawatt, and the cost of such type of tag is below 5. And low level available power and cost pressure on the product of RFID tags. Then active RFID tags have their own board power supply, on-board power supply. Then life and active tags is limited by lifetime of battery, typically in order of a year. Active tags can be transmitted and received over a long distance. Okay. Then RFID tag reassembles a small embedded system. Next is related to parameter of this RFID tag: storage, memory, gate count. Okay, power consumption, it is very less, microwatt, 10 microwatt. Then in WSN, a set of sensor nodes that each contains a sensor, microcontroller, wireless communication controller, like this. This is one more related distributed embedded system. In this node, actually, the sensor node can acquire a variety of physical, chemical, and biological signals to measure properties of an environment. Here, basically, in this, a number of sensor nodes are deployed either systematically or randomly. Okay, and then after function, WSN function, which detect neighbor and establish communication. Applications are related to remote environment monitoring, surveillance, medical applications like this. Now, all these applications and the case studies which indicates the embedded system design, architecture and all. Okay. So here we can have the idea about case studies. Okay.